today we'll be meal prepping some delicious chicken.
Mom, do you want to tell them the story why we decided to start meal prepping again?
My story?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go ahead.
For those who do not know, since 16 years ago, I got diagnosed with thyroid. And since then, I've been having thyroid problems. I go up, I go down. The times that I have gone down on my weight, it's when I actually meal prep, try to eat healthy. I don't exaggerate because I know it's very, very hard on the foods, but I try to do my best, drink lots of water, do exercise, and it's not impossible. We just need to know how to do it. If you guys don't believe me, I have pictures here. This was 3 years ago.
She has done it before, so it's possible for her to do it once again.
3 years ago, and then this one was like 5 years ago. Yeah. So yes, if your medication is controlled and you eat healthy, like I said, you could do it. It's not impossible. So we decided to get back on track.
So since we decided to get back on track, just how she mentioned, so today we are going to be meal prepping, and we're going to keep it nice and simple. So it's just going to be grilled chicken, wheat rice, and broccoli. So we're going to go ahead and show you how to do that. And you're going to love it. It's super good.
It's super good. Plus, it's very inexpensive. We spend about $10 for meals. So $2.50 a meal. You can't beat that. You go out to eat at a restaurant.
It's like $10 for like just lunch.
Just for lunch. So and that's getting water, because if you get a soft drink, it's like $12, $13. Believe me.
That's so true.
So we're going to go ahead and get started. I hope you guys like this video.
We'll be right back. So today we are going to be using 2 chicken breasts sliced up. And then we are going to be using garlic powder, paprika, Mrs. Dash, and black pepper. So that's going to be for our chicken. And then for our broccoli, we are going to use 2 broccolis. And then we do have garlic, and we will be using olive oil for that as well. And then for our wheat rice, we're going to use the Uncle Ben's. And then we are going to use parsley. Yeah, parsley. Caldo de pollo. And we are going to use butter. It's optional if you want to put this, but I feel like it gives it a very good flavor to the wheat rice, and it makes it super moist. So we're going to go ahead and use it today. So we're just going to go ahead and put our chicken in a bowl. Oh my God, I don't know what that is. A bowl. And then we're just going to go ahead and add all our seasonings to it. So she's going to start off with the black pepper. You could just put a little bit in there. Actually, you could put as much as you like. It's very healthy for you.
Miss Dash.
So we're going to go ahead and put
We got the chicken one.
The chicken flavor one. And then paprika. This one gives it a very good flavor, and it's not even spicy, so you can just put as much as you like in it. And then this one is a little salty, so don't put too much.
No, garlic powder, it has parsley, so it tastes really good.
Is it salty though?
Let me see. Nope, sodium zero.
Never mind, go ahead and add some in there. There we go.
So
after we have that, just go ahead and mix it all together.
You're going to put a little bit of salt as well, right?
No.
No salt?
No.
I thought I put salt. That's fine.
Okay, I never do. So we'll do it without salt. It's up to you if you guys want to go ahead and add salt to it.
Yeah. Marissa prefers her food without salt.
Use lemons.
You could add,
or limes always gives it a flavoring to your food. That's
but you could add a little bit of salt, a pinch of salt.
Alright, okay. So now that all the seasonings are in there, we're going to go ahead and set it aside for like 30 minutes. If you have more time, go ahead and leave it in there for like 2 hours. So then your chicken could have all the flavoring of the seasonings. But for us, it's going to be like 30 minutes.
So now that the chicken is marinating, we have a pot of water already boiling. We're going to use it for our broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and cut it for you guys. So you could just go ahead and go like this. To get, you get a big one like that. Just go ahead and cut it. It's really easy. Or you can even do it with your hands. Look, it's easier.
It is easy.
Yeah, you could do it with your hands. But if you want to take this, oops, sorry. Be careful. You want to take that part off, then like that. Like it comes off really easy. It depends on the size that you like it. If you want them in little pieces or bigger pieces, but this is a good size. Remember, when you cook it, they do shrink a little bit. So whatever size works for you will be fine. If you want to use the ones that are in bags that are already cut up for you guys could use that as well. I prefer getting the fresh broccoli and doing it myself. So here we have it all cut up. We're going to go ahead and rinse it well. Rinse it very good and wait for the water to come to a boil, and I'll show you the next step.
So now that my water is boiling, I am going to go ahead and put the broccoli in there. Just go ahead and do it slowly. So just make sure all of it is covered. Go ahead and make sure all of the broccoli floats are covered in there. And then we're just going to go ahead and cover it and leave it in there for like 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're just going to go ahead and remove it. And then we'll go ahead and rinse it.
Great.
Alright, so it's been 2 minutes. So we're going to go ahead and uncover it. Go ahead and turn off the stove. And we're just going to go ahead and take out all the broccoli. So we won't have all that water. So we're just going to go ahead and put it on the side. So this is how I like doing mine. I always like to boil it first, and then we're going to go ahead and saute it with olive oil and garlic. I feel like that's the way it gives it a much better flavor. If you don't like doing this step, then just go ahead and start doing it with the olive oil and the garlic. So I already have my pan preheated. We're going to go ahead and add olive oil. And then we are going to go ahead and add our diced garlic. So I already have it diced. I'll go ahead and add it in there. So we're just going to go ahead and be mixing it. So the garlic looks done. It's not burnt, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it there. And we're going to go ahead and add our broccoli. Just go ahead and mix it in. So I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper just to give it a little more flavor. But trust me, with the garlic and the olive oil, it already has a yummy flavor. And just go ahead and mix it all together again. Now we're just going to leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't take a long time because we already boiled it before. So it cooks really fast, and it has that yummy flavor to it. So just give it like another minute or 2, and then it will be done. So our broccoli is now done. You don't want to overcook it either, because then it's going to be way too soft. So now that it's done, we're just going to go ahead and set it aside. And I think it's time to start grilling our chicken. So now we're going to start grilling our chicken. So I already have a pan, and I already put olive oil. We had it at medium heat. You don't want it higher because you don't want to burn your chicken. And then we're just going to go ahead and add our chicken. It doesn't take a long time to cook, so don't forget about it. It honestly takes like 4 minutes on each side since it's in small pieces. So we're going to be making enough for 4 meal preps. We have a little bit more. There we go. So we're just going to go ahead and leave it there, and we'll be back to flip it. So if you see the surrounding of your chicken white, that means it's pretty good to go ahead and flip it. So we're just going to go ahead and flip all of them, and then we'll let it cook on the other side for about 4 minutes as well. So it's already been like 5 minutes. I like it to look grilled, so I kind of left it a little longer.
Golden brown.
Golden brown, okay. So to make sure it's already cooked completely, you could just go ahead and get a knife and kind of just open it up. If it's white, look at how juicy it looks. So it's white, it's cooked, it's juicy. So we're just going to go ahead and turn off the stove, and we're going to go ahead and set all our chicken aside. And now we're going to go ahead and do our final step, which is going to be our wheat rice, since we already have our broccoli and our chicken done.
You guys, if you guys want to check it a different way, if you have a thermometer, if it reaches 165 Fahrenheit, that means it's cooked.
So now we're going to get started with our wheat rice. I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of butter. Remember, this step is if it comes out. Okay. Oh, there we go. Got it. I'm going to go ahead and take this out. There we go. It was very stuck. So remember, this step is optional. If you don't want it, you could obviously just do it with olive oil. But I feel like the butter gives it a very good flavor. So just let it melt inside the pot. So I just usually stir it until it's melted. And then we're gonna go ahead and add, we're just gonna be doing 1 cup of wheat rice. We're gonna go ahead and put it in there. And then just keep stirring it with the butter. And it is gonna get like a, I mean, it's already brown rice, but it is gonna get like a golden color. And the grains are gonna get a little smaller. So we'll go ahead and show you how it looks when it's ready to put the water in. So I've been stirring my rice for probably 5 minutes now. You can see how the color changed and it looks like it was, I don't know, what do you call this? I don't know, you can see the difference of the rice. You can see that it looks like it's good. It looks like Rice Krispie, that's what it looks like, but it's sweet rice. Okay, so then we're gonna go ahead and add 1.5 cup of water. This is how I do it. If you follow the instructions on the box, it is a little different. But this is how I like it, with 1.5 cups. So we're just gonna go ahead and add the water. And then okay, just let it boil. We are gonna add chicken flavoring. You could just add salt if you don't want chicken flavoring. So you could add some in there. And go ahead and give it a stir. Could go in there. Then let me go ahead and add my parsley and then I'll go ahead and taste it for you guys. So go ahead and get a little bit of parsley. Just go ahead and crumble it in there so it could be small. Go ahead and mix it one more time. And then you could go ahead and give it a try. It's gonna be hot. It needs a little more. Let's go ahead and add more. So go ahead and add more. And then after you already have it to your tasting, then you're just going to go ahead and cover it. And then when it comes back to a boil, you're going to go ahead and reduce it back to low. So as soon as it's boiling, you're going to go ahead and put it to low heat. So we're going to go ahead and cover it again. It takes like 10 to 12 minutes until all the, what is it, the juice? The water, the flavoring, everything is absorbed. So then we'll go ahead and be back and show you how that is going to look. So our rice is now done. So we're going to go ahead and take a look. So just go ahead and mix it around. So this is why I like putting the butter in it, because look, it makes it look moist, super moist. And it gives it a very, very good flavor. So go ahead and try it with the butter. If you don't like it, just go ahead and do olive oil if you want to keep it on the healthier side as well.
Or they could just do steamed rice if they want it healthier.
True, but this way is super good and you're still eating healthy. So we're going to go ahead and turn it off, and then we are going to show you how to
meal prep our containers.
Yes, go ahead and put it all in our containers.
So now that Marissa finished the rice, the broccoli, the chicken, we're going to go ahead and serve it in the containers. You could get these on Amazon for a very good price.
We'll leave the link down below if you're interested, because they're so easy to carry around. They fit in your lunch pail. I take it to work, I take it to school. It's so easy to just carry it with you.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and...
So we're going to go ahead... So we're only going to put broccoli in 3 of them. So you could put as much as you like. We don't... I mean, I know we're supposed to eat veggies, but we don't like a lot of them. So we're just going to go ahead and put the broccoli. So one of them... My mom wants it with salad, so we're just going to have 3 with broccoli. Oh no, I put too much on one of them. Okay, let's remove some from this one, yeah?
To make it even?
Yeah, okay, now it looks better. So that's done. Do you want to go ahead and put the rice?
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put the rice. Maybe...
in the middle, yeah.
In the middle. And this rice, believe me, I try to do it how she does it. It doesn't come out. It doesn't come out. But the way she does it, it's very good. And it's still healthy. I mean, she's not trying, she's just trying to eat a little bit, change her lifestyle.
And it's just so much easier for me to just grab one out of the refrigerator and then just pack it to go to work, instead of like having to spend on going out to buy lunch. So this way it's so much easier and cheaper.
So this one doesn't have broccoli. I'm going to put the chicken, because when it's time to serve and eat it, I'm going to put salad on the side.
Okay,
so then
now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken. So we did, let's go ahead and do 2 pieces for each. So we're going to go ahead and just add the chicken. I mean, if you want more protein, you could go ahead and add more chicken. But we don't. I mean, we get full with this amount, so we're gonna go ahead and just use this one. Okay, maybe I'll put a little more in this one because she's gonna chop off the chicken when she eats it with her salad. So we'll go ahead and put 3. So that is now done. Look how yummy this looks.
So we're gonna go ahead and let them cool down.
You can put this in.
We're gonna go ahead and let them cool down. So then after they're cooled down, we could refrigerate them, cover them up, put them in the refrigerator. And why did we do only for 2 days? Tell them why.
Because it only tastes super good for 2 days. We have done it for 5 days. As soon as you hit the 3rd day, you don't even feel like eating it anymore.
Yeah,
it's because like it has
the flavor's totally different.
Yeah, it has like a flavor that it doesn't taste the same. So this is what we like doing. We usually do for 2 days, and then on the 2nd day after, during probably in the evening, most likely that's when we usually do it. In the evening, that's when we decide what are we gonna do for the next 2 days. We still usually keep wheat rice. We usually always keep the wheat rice, and then sometimes we just change it off and do like chicken fajitas or shrimp fajitas. We always try to do just like easy things, but it's super good.
Or in the vegetables, we try to do zucchinis with bell peppers, like a mix of it, and they're very good. They're very good,
and I decided to make this video because I always take it to work, and I always have my coworkers asking, "Did you buy it? Did you buy it? Where did you get it from?" No, I did not buy it. No, I did not get it from anyone. I make it myself, and they've been asking for a video. So I did the video, and I know they're going to enjoy it because they always say my food smells delicious. And I always take sriracha. So if you eat it with sriracha, it just makes your broccoli and your rice taste so much better. So try it off with sriracha
And
sauce.
I like it with tapatio and lemon.
And lemon, yeah. But I prefer sriracha.
Yeah.
So that's it. So we're just going to let it cool down. And then we are just going to cover it with the lids, because it does come with the cute little lids. And then you could just take it on the go with you.
So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Let's Cook That.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.